Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my 3 worst luxury purchases. So I'm excited to share. So this video is actually a tag video. So I was so graciously tagged by the creator Francesca. So I will link her video down in the description box below so you can see her original video, go support her and see what her choices were as well. So the premise is very simple. Just to share what your top 3 worst luxury purchases are. So let's get into it. Before I do that, I'm starting a new random question of the day. So the question of the day is, what is your favorite month of the year? Let me know in the comment section down below and let me know why. So my first worst luxury purchase is none other than the Balenciaga XXS sneakers. So I definitely started with, a hate-love relationship with these sneakers. So I know they were super popular. I say hate-love because I hated them at first. I thought they were super dramatic and that I couldn't pull them off. Only the amazing, super big fashion bloggers. Of course, social media, I saw photos. It looked amazing on Instagram. So over time, I fell in love. Purchased not only 1 pair, but 2 pairs of Balenciaga XXS's, which I have. I did share those in my designer shoe collection video that I posted, so I will link that up here if you want to check that out. And although I love them and they definitely give a statement and elevate a look, they are so heavy. So, walking every day, they're not super comfortable and they just weigh a ton and weigh me down. So for my very first worst luxury purchase, it is definitely the Balenciaga XXS sneakers. The second worst luxury purchase that I had and no longer have in my collection is the boy bag. So again, I shared this in a previous video, bags I've sold and why. If you want to learn more about some of the handbags that I purchased and no longer love, I did a video on that as well. So bags I've sold and why, I will link that here. But again, I not only had 1 boy bag, but I had 2. So originally, my husband, Sean, he purchased the small boy bag for me in the black calfskin leather with the age gold hardware in the small size. And it was so cute, so adorable. I really appreciated that he bought that one as a gift for me back, I think in 2015. I loved it, but I felt that it was a little too small for the style and I rather have had the old medium size. So I rehomed that one and felt that, okay, the old medium size is better for me. I'd rather have that size. That's the only thing I didn't like about it. Purchased the old medium in the calfskin leather in black with the ruthenium hardware, and I used that for a few months. I think it was even up to 1 year of owning that bag. And I actually liked the capacity of the old medium a lot more than the small size. And, but over time, the bag started to dent in the middle. So I preferred wearing it crossbody most of the time. Sometimes I would wear it on the shoulder, but because I preferred wearing it crossbody, it would hit my hip. And I think that the way that the boy bag with the chains on 2 of the sides, it just started to dent. And I know some of those styles, people have had experience the same with the bag denting. So I saw it started to dent. I didn't want it to further lose its shape and get worse over time, Plus, I started falling out of love with the boxy style. It definitely felt like a lunchbox just jutting out of my side. So I rehomed that as well. So for my second worst luxury purchase, it is definitely the boy bag from Chanel. And the third and last worst luxury purchase that I have is actually a different type of item, a luxury in a different way than we would normally think about it. So I would say that my worst luxury purchase, the third choice, is actually my pair of golf clubs. So I actually recently started getting into golf last spring, so in the spring of 2019. So fairly new, not good at all. My skills are very beginner level. But my husband really loves golfing. He's golfed for a number of years, so I wanted to try it. I purchased some lessons, and so that was really exciting. Went to the driving range, and of course, you know, I need my own clubs. So I purchased a personalized pink set of golf clubs, which I love. But the reason I say that they are a worst purchase is because of the amount that we've been able to go out and golf. So we golfed last year in the spring and summer, but as the fall and winter come around, you know, because of the weather and the cold, we don't go out as much. And then as you all know, 2020 has been shut down. So we have not been able to go golfing in 2020 either. So although I love my personalized pink golf clubs, because of the number of times I've been able to use them, they are definitely the third worst luxury item on this list. So those are my 3 worst luxury purchases. Let me know what you think, especially about that curveball item. Otherwise, I will link to another video here, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, guys.